What's up, YouTubers? This your boy Voodoo306 coming to you live, and I am going to be reacting to the 1,000-degree knife challenge thing. Can't even think what the title of the thing was. This is Experiment Glowing 1,000-degree Knife versus Rubik's Cube. And as you guys can see on the screen, I know my little bubble head or my little web face cam thing covering up the stuff. Anyways, this was a requested video, so I'm gonna react to it. Let me grab these gigantic headphones. Look like Barney's great-great-grandmother when she ate for Thanksgiving. And let's see. And don't try this at home, even though I probably would have tried. Yeah, I'll leave it on. I'm gonna turn it off, but turn off the music. I just keep it on, but keep it low. Oh, that's dope. That is super dope. Dang. Golly. That looks very dope. Oh, he can cut right through the... Don't try this at home, guys, but if you try it, be careful. Fire. That thing caught on fire. That's how hot it is. What? What is that, baby wipes? Oh God, that wasn't a good idea. Baby wipes have alcohol in it, so it's gonna just melt right through and catch on fire. Dang. Woo! I bet that stinks. God. Here's the moment we all been waiting for. It's not gonna go through, is it? Holy crap. Sound like it's cooking for real. What's up with the orange juice, bro? What's up with the orange juice? What's it, a toy gun? Yep, it's a toy gun. I bet it's gonna catch fire again. Oh, it's gonna pop. Another reaction. That's dope. That's super dope. Alright guys, I hope you guys like my reaction to this video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and rate. Make sure you check out the original link in the description if you don't like my reaction. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe. My thing will be somewhere up on the screen, the little circle thing. I don't even know what you call it. That's sad. So make sure you subscribe, and yeah, let's just do that. Deuce.